Hey friends, welcome to Bitfumes. In this episode, we are going to learn about the layout files. But before that, I want to thank you for your support and for your comments which encourage me to make more videos instant. Okay, so let's get started. First, I will open my command prompt to start the server. For that, I have to go to my folder where I installed the Laravel 5.4, and then I will say artisan serve, PHP artisan serve, and it is artisan serve. Okay, and now the server is started. Just copy this, and I think you all know what is this, and it is in your practice. Okay, so you can see that the Laravel is correctly installed, and this is showing the home page. Where's the home page? In the resource views, this is home page. That means welcome.blade.php. I just want to make another file name about.blade.php. Okay, and what will I do? I will just say about. Okay, and in the route, that means in the web.php, I will just make a route for this about, and in the pages controller, which method it called, obviously about, and in the controller, pages controller, you see I have used the Sublime Text shortcut, that means Control P. Okay, in here I will just again copy, and I will say about, and here also easy things. Okay, and just check this about page, about, and here is about. So a little thing more, I will just copy all of these things from the welcome.blade.php and paste it in the about.blade.php and just see the result correctly. That means Laravel. To make a difference, just say about in the about.php. For difference, about is written. Okay, the next thing, I just want the title also with Laravel about, and here also the Laravel welcome. Just check. Laravel about is there, Laravel welcome is just taking some time to load. Okay, so the problem here is I have just written all of these codes in the welcome folder and in also the about folder, but that's not the true thing. Why? If you have many files, then is that true you have to copy and paste each and everything in your new file? No, that's not correct thing. So for that, Laravel has layout files. For that, I will just create a layout folder. In that layout folder, I will create app.blade.php file, and I will copy all of these and paste it here. And the next thing I will do is I will extends layout.app, and you can see here the about page is correctly shown. Why? Because I have extended the app.blade.php. So I have not made any changes here. So what is the use of this thing? The use is here. When I say here extends layout.app, that means here also in the welcome page it will load the HTML written in the app. That means here. So that's why it is showing about. But I don't want to say about in the welcome page, and I don't want this title to be about. So for that, I will just do one thing in the app file. Instead of this hard-coded title, I will just say yield. Yield what? Yield title. You can say anything you want. You can say yield something ABC, foobar, anything you want. Okay. And same here, in the in place of about, I will say section what, section body, and I will say show section. That means simply show. And what I will do, I will just say here section and the name of section and the value of that section, that means about, and just copy this and paste it here. And in place of about, I will say welcome. And now see the result. Laravel welcome in the about page. Laravel about. But wait, one thing. Where is the title gone? Because I have not written anything in the section. That means there is nothing. Okay, so here what I will do, I will say section and the name of section. Section is body, and with end section also, end section, and here I will say about. And let's see the result. When I refresh, yes, this says about. Okay, and same thing here in the welcome page. I will just paste here. I will say welcome and see the result. And yep, welcome is here. Okay, so what I have did here, you can ask me one question. Here I have just say section title about. Okay, but here I have ended the section. So what is the difference between that? Why not I have end this section here? Because this section is just for yielding. Okay, which is here. Okay, and this section is for real section, that means body section. So I have started this section here, so I have to end this section here. But here no section is started, just yielding. So this is the correct way of doing thing. So you can see here that with the use of this layout file, we can just create 4 or 5 lines for each of the folder, and all of these things are written here. So thank you for watching. We will meet in next episode, and before that, just subscribe to my channel and you will get more thing about the Laravel. So bye bye.